Reni Munaneng, Senator Bam Aquino, Chairperson ng Senate Committee on Basic Education, ing kulayit na aryan, ing maluwat ng krisis king sweldo dareng mestra, kapamilatan ning panukalang angat sweldo para sa Guro Act. Libutan ning record a 1.38 trilyong peso sa budget para king edukasyon king 2026 katumbas ning 4.5% ning GDP at mumunang pamikatagon na mabot siya Pilipinas king pamantayan na ning United Nations, tuturing ng Aquino'y panukala bilang pundasyon ning meto nga bayong panahon para kareng mestra. Lalam ning Senate Bill number 127, papanukala ing 10,000 pesos abula ng dagdag compensation o sweldo para kareng pampublikong mestra at kwalipikadong non-teaching personnel a ipatupad kilub ning 3 banwa. Dinikdik ng Aquino na sobra impupusanan dareng mestra kadalasan gagawa kareng marakala non-teaching task alampas king oras ning klase.
Teachers are overworked, underpaid, and significantly lack support. 2 out of 3 teachers report working on over 50 non-teaching tasks and work more than 40 hours a week. Reports have shown that it takes a teacher 15 years to move from teacher 1 to teacher 3, where they earn around 30,000 pesos. And some schools have 500 teachers but only 4 non-teaching personnel, and only 45% of public schools have a designated school principal. Our teachers are overburdened and can't do what they want and what they need to do, which is to teach our children.
Bista matatin niyang makasalisayang pondo para king edukasyon kabilang ng 68 billion pesos para kereng classroom at 67 billion pesos para king free college law. Pigaga na ka namong Aquino na ing 43.24 billion pesos ang makasadya sana para king salary upgrades dareng mestra milipat king unprogram appropriations. Inya kano sigurado ing pamagpalwal kareng pondo. Kukulay ting mas matigik at transparency at pamagbanto.
To solve the lack of support for teachers, I filed the Angat Sweldo para sa Guro Act, which seeks to grant 10,000 monthly compensation to all public school teachers and qualified non-teaching personnel over the next 3 years. And we will work closely with DepEd in addressing the lack of administrative support for teachers.
Ing angat sweldo para sa Guro Act, partiya king 7-point agenda ng Aquino king edukasyon kayabe ing teacher in every barrio act, e-textbook para sa lahat act at classroom building acceleration program act. Agpang king senador ing pamamiya prioridad king kapakanan dareng talaturo ing susi bang mabawas ing burnout at ayamuyot lareng mga galing a mestra at apatas ing kalidad ning edukasyon king bansa. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para king News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutuking Balen, susuyo.